DY on their hot tub. And we're gonna figure out why. So DY, and there's an SN, he said. So I tested the fuse that was in there, and it was gone, but usually when that fuse goes, there's nothing on the top side. So I'll just show you what fuse it was for this pack anyway. It was that fuse right there. Now you can look on the back of the cover. You can kind of see there's pump 1, and it's usually the fuse is going to be closest to it. There's a small one right below it there, but that's not it. It's usually a bigger one, so it's going to be like a 25 or 30 amp. So that pump, when we turned it on, I changed the fuse, and I think there was an issue with that pump because you can see it was leaking back there, the white crusty stuff on the wall, and I heard a loud bang. So I think the capacitor blew up. It was probably seized and then put pressure on the capacitor and just blew up. So we're going to take that out right now. It's leaking pretty bad. Got to keep an eye on these seals as soon as they start leaking. Pretty bad shape. Get the pump out. It's pretty bad. So the pump's it's in bad shape. I took the capacitor out, and that bang I heard, the little pinhole right there, and it's all leaking oil and stuff. So it blew up. But this pump, you could try to take it apart. We have videos on taking pumps apart. You can try to take it apart, but this one's pretty bad. The windings are probably bad inside because it's probably been spraying it inside here. But if you want to test your capacitor, if it doesn't blow or anything like that, but at the end of the video, I'll link where you can test how you can test these, and then test your fuses, and also if you want to take this apart. It's all seized up. I can't even move the impeller at all, so it's seized. Put a lot of strain on it, so when the fuse blew, we put a new one in, and it just blew again. And I just guess I put some strain on it, and that loud bang I heard, it just blew out the back of this capacitor. So more than likely, that's why you're getting a flow problem, because obviously this goes through your heat tube, and if this is not working, you're going to get an error code if it doesn't trip your breaker. So this wasn't tripping the breaker. Normally it does. Hot tubs do some weird things, so it should have been tripping, but it didn't. So if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to us, and we'll see you on the next one.